If you look into something in your life that is repetitive, there is a repetitive pattern in your life, some type of a relationship that you keep attracting, some type of situation at work with your business that you keep attracting, that trigger the same type of reactive emotion inside of you. As long the situation keep coming back, triggering the same emotion, you know that you haven't completed this correction. The only reason why you need something to come and to repeat back in your life, it's simply because you haven't yet received the message, the lesson that your soul came to receive, and the transformation from the reactive emotion, thought, behavior, the transformation did not happen yet. So as long as the transformation did not manifest, I will need the same situations to come, maybe in different colors, to trigger the same reactive mechanism inside of me that is part of my Tikkun. The moment that the same situation is coming back to you, and you realize, wow, I feel so calm, so complete. It doesn't trigger anymore anything inside of me. It doesn't change my mood. I'm still connected with my center. You know that you completed the Tikkun in that phase with this situation.